Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel for this new video starting with Canva. So actually Canva is a graphic design platform which is free, that great for making invitations, business cards, Instagram posts and more. It has a drag and drop interface, making customizing very easy. And so starting with Canva, you can either log in as using your Google account, and or you can log in creating a new account. So in this video we're going to make our YouTube banner for our channel. So we're going to start by choosing which or how we are going to use Canva. We are going to use Canva as a personal usage. So starting with Canva, you have to log in and go on Google and type canva.com, and arriving at canva.com. As a newbie on Canva, you'll be asked what will you be using Canva for. So you will choose you're using Canva for personal, or maybe if you're using Canva for your company, you can choose large company or company work. So that's the first thing I'm going to be doing. After that, I'm going to choose what design I'm creating today. So the design I'm creating will be a YouTube banner. So as everybody knows, YouTube banner has a specific dimension, and on Canva it facilitates you all the work because majority of the design has already been given the dimension required. So I'm going to choose my YouTube banner that I'm going to design today. So actually on Canva you have the possibility of using templates, but for us in our channel we are not going to be using templates. We are going to be designing from scratch. So we are going to make design from scratch by not using template. But for newbie that doesn't have any knowledge, so as I said earlier, we are going to choose our background, and so our background was chosen from the platform FreePic. So after choosing our background, we are going to write down our logo name, that's the tag, and what's our channel purpose will be tech and design. So we are going to write tech and design and doing videos on Monday, Wednesday and Saturday. So precising it on our channel art. So we are going to write it down, and don't forget to always put a link to your other social media pages on your site. So actually that's how we are going to customize our banner, and after going to post it on our page. So So thank you for seeing this video, and see you soon for another one. Goodbye.